Holy shit, the other phone's ringing now. Roberto!
Be the number. Be the number, Dayton. Be the number, bud.
Every time when I try to send it to you again, my phone says, you want to repeat and send it again?
Good. Half an inch. Hell, you're really close.
I'm talking about the last one, not that one.
Oh.
Out where the pool's going, does it fit good or no? Yep, there, yep. So you know where the panels are, so that you can dig that 10 inches down farther. It jarred some sense into their brains so they can use it. I told him not to unscrew the excavator. He said he told him that he can't go more than 17 times. I don't think he's ever gonna figure it out. Hold on a second. Come over here and do the same thing real quick. So I think we got it. Holy. Can you give me a little bit more? Oh my God.
All right.
That was impressive. 28. All right. Lift it up one more time. I see where it's at. It's right down here, yep. All right, a little bit more. All right. Oh, yeah. Ready? This is gonna make this pool perfect. Well, I'm going off the ledge, so. No, couple, it's just about an inch. No, but when we lift this up, it's gonna, that one's zeroed, 0.6. So when we lift this up, get a little bit under there, it's gonna make that one perfect and make that perfect. Okay. I move that down. Jesus Christ, dude, you guys lifted up far enough? What did you lift up? Twist for me. Damn. Backfill time.